In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your Epson EcoTank ET-3830 printer with the MacBook. Now go to the printer screen. So we have to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of our home. On the main screen of the printer, go ahead and look for the settings and click OK. Click General Settings. Select Network Settings, Wi-Fi Setup, Wi-Fi Recommended, Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. It will display the Wi-Fi network list. Select your Wi-Fi network. Now enter the password and click OK to connect. So printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now go to your MacBook, go to the main screen, System Preferences, select Printers and Scanners, and in this box click on the plus button here so that we can add the printer. It will display the name of your printer. If you don't see the printer here, that means you need to download the drivers from the Epson website. Once it is ready, click on the add button, and from here we can start using it for printing and scanning. For example, just to do printing, click on the print button. Open any document or photo and click on the print icon. Select the correct printer. This way we can do the setup of the printer with the MacBook for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.